Oh my gosh, what just happened? All right, you guys, it's the best time of the week. It's yard sale Saturday, and I found a few that were being advertised that looked really promising. So come along with me and let's cross our fingers that there's cool stuff.
Good morning, hi.
So right out the gate, I noticed a few handbags and purses, Fossil. I love selling Fossil. This is just a wallet, but it was reasonably priced. Found a couple wallets actually. And then when I headed into the garage, I started seeing Free People, which you guys know I absolutely love. And this sweater coat, it had some pilling, which is easy to get off, but that should sell for at least 90 bucks. And then I saw this Fleetwood Army flight suit, which was in really good condition. That's another like 90 bucks. So even though she kind of priced her stuff higher, it was higher end. So it was totally still worth picking up. Another Free People dress, that one should sell for at least 30. Urban Outfitters actually houses Free People, so a lot of their stuff sells decently well. So I spotted that sweater, grabbed it. Another Free People, this is a little mini skirt, so it's not going to sell for as much, but it should still sell decently well. Same with this Intimately Free People. This is like their sleepwear line, their loungewear line. I found a couple of long sleeve shirts there. Intimately Free People sells for less for me, so like 20 bucks each. I still grabbed it because they were still reasonably priced over here. It's interesting how you can really tell a lot from the person who's running the yard sale from just a few items of clothing. I mean, these are the brands I love to sell, and she clearly shops at Urban Outfitters, Nordstrom, Free People, all of these great stores that sell really, really well for me.
And then that's a box of Freebirds. Box of Freebirds. Those are going to be like size 8 and 9.
Oh, cool. All of them are Freebirds?
Yeah, they're all Freebirds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, here. Do you want me to
yes,
take some of those
please.
too?
Thank you.
Yeah.
She did price up these Freebirds. So even with the sole coming off, she had priced those boots at 50 bucks. Between $50 to $100 plus for each pair is kind of what she was asking. While I was looking for those, I spotted another Fossil bag and grabbed it. Easy 30 bucks. Okay, so if I bought 11 pairs, could you do a lower all-around price, do you think, if I got all of them?
You would buy all of those?
Yeah, if I did like 500 for every one of them.
No.
No?
Sorry.
Not, okay. What would be your
like,
lowest?
Girl, honestly, I'm like, just because they're all in really good shape, I would do like 1,000 for all 11.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But some
Like
of them are
these-
marked 50 though, so that's like more than what you've got.
Is it?
Yeah, I think you've got, that would be almost 100 each, and there's like 50,
Oh, okay.
50, 45.
So, that was bad math on me.
Oh,
So I
okay.
would charge you like as much as like all 11 would cost, because you can like resell these for like a lot. So that's why I'm like, I'm not gonna go lower on them because I feel
Yeah.
like they're already super low for what they are.
Totally, I get that.
Yeah.
No worries. I was just wondering, yeah, if you'd like to get rid of all of them, but I can piecemeal a few of them.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. So what is like the yard sale equivalent of the walk of shame? I mean, I was like near tears putting these back because I knew that they would have sold so great, but I did pick up a few pairs that were priced at 50 bucks, hoping that they would resell really well.
Okay, so $233 for everything.
Awesome.
Here's this. Do you want help?
I
carrying
got it.
that?
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Oh yeah, and then these.
And then these, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
I'll grab that. Am I okay to keep the hangers, or do you want me to take them off?
You can
Okay.
keep the hangers.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
Okay, you too.
Okay, so she was totally nice and I found some great stuff. I was really bummed about the Freebirds. I really wish I could have made that deal because those sell fantastic, and I think I was pretty fair in my pricing at like 50 bucks each for pretty much all of them.
But some of them are marked 50 though, so that's like more than what you've got.
All right, I'm gonna be thinking about that garage sale with the Freebird shoes for basically the rest of my life, because that would have been the coolest thing ever if I had gotten all of them. But you know what, it's okay, because yes, I paid $50 for a couple of these. The sandals will resell for hopefully like 75 to 100, so those I probably overpaid for. But these two here are really, really valuable, which is great. They both should resell. I saw comps for like 150 bucks. So I'm tripling my money here, which is fantastic. Still got some deals. The other ones though would have been phenomenal. Still though, we got some really good deals with the Free People. This is a Free People utility jumpsuit, and this should sell for like $75 on its own. And then the Free People sweater, like jacket or sweater coat, that one should sell for about $80. So I'm thinking it'll be in, again, the $75 to $100 range. So super happy with that. We still did really, really well at that first yard sale. When I added it up, I spent $233, but I should be able to flip everything for close to $800. So I'm really happy with that.
So I saw that this yard sale was advertising designer handbags, and usually that means that they're not designer. They're designer in the eyes of the beholder, but the second I got here and I made my way to the garage, I started seeing Coach, Vintage Coach, Fossil, a lot of really fabulous brands that I love to sell. So even though this is a little dingy, this is an older Michael Kors bag, and I'm seeing like another woven bag. This is Brighton, sells for $50. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of really solid purse brands. This is a Timberland messenger bag crossbody that should sell for $30. The prices were between $5 and $25. Most were in the $5 range. This beautiful Kohan bag sells for about $70. I mean, I found Dooney and Burke, you guys, so many Dooney and Burke purses, really cute, in really fabulous condition. And then this is a brand that I think retails for $600.
Do you have like this is my dream come true yard sale. I love this. I can start a box here maybe of all my goodies. It's empty, yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So yes, exactly.
I just was like, how can this be real? As I kept going through bags, I mean, this is a vintage Coach bag from the 90s. These sell so well, $100 plus, easy. I love finding this because the leather is really well made. We have some brand new with tags, Vera Bradley, which sells really solidly for me in my store. And this was priced at just $5, so easy pickup. Kakadu is a great brand, and these sell like buy it for life canvas bags, leather bags. So that was an easy pickup. More Dooney and Burke. I mean, you guys, I found so much Dooney and Burke and Coach you would not even believe. And a lot of them, I mean, you see some scuffs on there, but a lot of the purses were in like new condition. So as I'm going through them, I'm like, wow, these are barely used. This is a brand called Bronco Roper. It's a wallet, and when I looked up comps, they seem to be about $30, so easily grab that. More Fossil. Again, Fossil's a brand, it's a bread and butter purse brand I pick up all the time. I absolutely love it. It sells really well for me, really consistently, especially this kind of crossbody messenger bag that's like kind of a laptop bag, a wear to work bag. Sells fantastically for me. This really cute Sam Edelman fringe purse. I mean, this sold on Poshmark for $60. Sam Edelman's better known for like their shoes. Dooney and Burke bucket bag, I mean, that sells for $80. And then I saw these really cool like album spin bags. I had no idea what they were, but I grabbed them anyway because I was like, we're just gonna go ahead and grab everything that I see, everything that my arms can hold. And I started just like this giant mountain of purses. Like I was like, start going through these for me, guys, because I'm gonna be buying so many of these. Really cute Fossil bags. Again, like I just loaded my arms up 3 or 4 times and headed over to that checkout. The Coach Poppy patent leather line sells really well for me. Another big Fossil bag, again in like brand new condition. So pretty, so cute, so many bags. One of these album bags was South Pacific, so I'm like, someone who's a fan of South Pacific will want that. Then I made sure that I didn't pass by the wallets and the clutches and like the little wristlets. There's Dooney and Burke. I found 2 of them. One is monogrammed. So cute. Those should sell fabulously. And then a Coach striped wristlet. I'm glad you take Venmo. I don't have this much cash.
No, you are totally fine.
I was gonna say, like, do you have any bulk discounts you would be willing to do? Would you
Be $560.
$560? That's awesome. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Delivery service, that's so nice.
Oh my gosh, what just happened? I'm dying. I'm screaming, dying, crying, throwing up. That was insane. That was insane. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to add up what all of that will sell for. I don't know yet, but I think we hit the mother load, you guys. You guys, these handbags are insane. Like, I have so many of them. I ended up paying $560 for everything, as you guys saw. And, you know, one by one, we can go through some of the best ones. The Coach, vintage Coach handbag here should sell for like $100 easy. I love the vintage Coach. You know it by how thick and heavy and quality the leather is. This is very sought after, and that's why these sell for more. And then these really cool album. What are these? They are the original Spins handbag. And I see a sold comp, 150 bucks, 175. I think it depends on like what album it is. This is the Sonny and Cher, this one. And then I have another one that you guys saw me pick up. What was that, South Pacific? Oh yeah, South Pacific. This one's crazy. I've got tons of Fossil bags. Fossil is a brand that I tend to pick up every time I see it at a yard sale. It sells really well. It is a really quick flip, you know, not for crazy money. This beautiful Dooney & Bourke monogram pink handbag, and it looks to be basically brand new. Tons of Dooney & Bourke. I picked up a few Vera Bradley bags. All in all, you guys, I came home, I painstakingly added up all of the value here. We have like $2,200 in resale value. So $560 into $2,200. I'm thrilled with that any day of the week. All right, that yard sale was just insane. I have so many designer handbags that I decided to do a Whatnot auction and sell them to all of you. So whether you get them for a great deal, buy them for yourself, to resell, whatever you want to do, I will be hosting a Whatnot auction September 28th at 7 p.m. Whatnot is a live selling platform where things are auctioned off to the highest bidder, and usually they start at a pretty low price, and you can bid in real time and buy things from some of your favorite creators, some of your favorite sellers. It's awesome, and I thought this would be really fun to just in real time sell these bags to you guys. It's gonna be so much fun. We'll have lots of giveaways along the way. I'm just really excited to connect with more of you and be more personal in my selling. You do get $15 off your first purchase on Whatnot if you use my link, which means you can get one of these bags for next to nothing. It's so much fun, and I hope to see you guys there again September 28th. That's a Thursday at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. Okay, so I was heading to a high school fundraiser yard sale, but I see this one on the way, like just a couple minutes down the road, and it's another fundraiser yard sale for like a dance team. So we're just gonna pop by really quick and see if they've got anything interesting.
So like I said, this is a fundraiser yard sale. Not a lot of interesting clothes, but over in the bag section, I mean, theme of the video, I guess, right? A Camelback hydration pack. It doesn't have like the little water bladder, but that's fine. It'll still sell for 20 bucks. A Kipling little crossbody. I've sold so many Kipling bags, love selling them. And then I saw this little vintage Nike like gym bag. It was so cute. I didn't really see a lot of comps, but I was like, this will sell. It's $1. And then I looked over in the book section because this textbook looked like, it just gave me like vibes of this might be worth money. And sure enough, it was.
So for the books, how much?
$1 piece on the
Okay.
Okay.
$3 on the purses.
Yep. And then clothes is like $2 a piece.
Okay, so let's see, 2, 2, 4, 7, 10, 13, 14?
Yeah,
is that good?
right.
Okay, all right.
There you are, my
Thank
dear.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, it's the most important time of the day. It is treat time. I think I deserve a big treat. Today has been insane. So I'm gonna get my usual little soda treat, but I think I'm gonna get sushi for lunch. I rarely get it, but it is a very special occasion, and I want to indulge in something amazing. It tastes so good, and especially good after that haul. What the heck? All right, you guys, all in all, we have well over $3,000 in resale value today. This is a $3,000 yard sale haul. Blows my mind. I'm beyond thrilled. Now to get all of this stuff listed, the benefit of picking up a bunch of purses is they're really easy to list, super fast. So I'm really excited about that. I'm so glad you guys joined me today. I am so appreciative of every one of you who chooses to watch my videos. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.